All right, 3 ways to not drop a bar. Number 1, incorrect unloading. So we have a bar here, we're going to slide the plate off, gently lay the sleeve down on the ground without it crashing. So here's the incorrect way, to let it just hit the ground. Number 2, incorrect loading. So this would be incorrectly loading a bar. So this is the right way. So you're going heavy to light, so heavy plates on the inside, going out to the light or change plates on the outside. Make sure you always use those clamps. And here's the incorrect way. Change your light plates on the inside with the 10s and then the 25s. Just creates unnecessary force on the plates and the bar, eventually causing them to deteriorate. And then finally, number 3, incorrect dropping. So this is, we have a pair of 10s here. Drop it from the hip, that's the right way, so they don't crack. That's from overhead. Then we have 15s, it's the same story. See a lot of cracking from dropping overhead and a lot of forces on the bars and plates. That's not necessary. And then 25s is kind of that breaking point. You can drop it either way from the hip or overhead.